going to do an activity. The activity's name is change of color and change of light. For this activity, we need the meter, a crocodile clip, 2 batteries, the battery casing, resistors, and LEDs. First, we're going to put the batteries in the battery casing. Then we're going to take our LED and attach the red side with the longer end of the LED. Then we'll take one of our resistors and stretch it out. And then after we're done, we have to put the resistor here and attach the black side here. Then we're going to take the red side of our crocodile clip and do the exact same on the other side. Then we're going to take the shorter end of the LED and attach the black side. And look guys, it's moving. Now we're going to test with another LED. Now we're going to test this red one. And then finally our last one. But why does this happen? Each LED has a separate demand for current. The more current a light takes, the more distance the indicator of the meter covers. Thus, it tells us which one needs more current and which does not.